Alright, welcome back my friends, ETPC here. I'm doing another unboxing, and this is on the Alvoxcon USB wireless microphone. So this is UHF, unidirectional mic, and it's for smartphone, PC, laptop, what have you. I kind of needed one for when I am not next to my PC. So most of the videos I do here are on the PC here, and so I have a microphone that goes into the back of my helmet here, right here, the cord. So a little lavalier mic, but it is not cordless, and so I'm gonna have limited range here. All right, so let's check this out here. Had a little had to distract you with my conversation while I was getting this sticker off there. Okay, so let's open this up here. What do we got inside? Okay. On the top we have a nice little presentation. Alvoxcon, dear valued customer, we really appreciate your purchase of the Alvoxcon product. As a responsible seller, we put customer satisfaction to top priority. You're happy with this purchase. Okay. Nice little welcome letter there. Right on top we have some nice heavy-duty foam, and look at the packaging. That's pretty impressive. They want to make sure this doesn't get damaged, which is good. Okay, this first middle compartment we have looks to be a USB. I'm going to open the bag here for you guys if I can. I think I can. Don't want to damage the bag. It's got such nice packaging. I didn't want to ruin it. Okay, put that back in there. So this is the receiver, and that looks like it'll go in your USB port there. So that's cool. It comes with, looks like we have a couple of batteries as well. Golden Power alkaline AA batteries. Sorry about that, didn't show you what was going on there. Okay, and in this pocket here we have, appears to be some wires, if I can get this bag open as well. I guess some scissors would be handy for unboxings, you know, but that's okay. In here we have, if I can get them out of the bag, pretty heavy duty audio cables here. And what else? Okay, looks like a USB-C adapter. Let's get a close-up of that if we can. Okay. And another adapter. Is that for, no, that's not for an iPhone. It's another adapter for USB, so I'm not sure exactly what type that is. Alright, in here is the microphone itself. Let's open this up here. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so there it is, my friends. It appears to be, it's fairly lightweight. This is plastic here, and this is, I believe it's metal on top. So we have the battery area here, and I haven't installed the batteries yet, obviously, because this is just the unboxing, so that just slides right. Oops. Where am I? Oh yeah, that just slides right back on there. Okay, so that is that. I will be doing a setup, demonstration, and review shortly. So this is the unboxing. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and we'll see you guys soon. And everybody have a great day.